Hey guys, that's just a scrap microwave. Me and Sabrina's going to take it apart. Might film it, or us taking it apart, or just do clip. Might just do a short clip, not doing a full video taking it apart. So just going to do, I might show you bits by bits, just some screws, covers on it. So what's inside the microwave. Inside, what's this microwave? So there you go, this project microwave, that's the round bit, that's the bottom bit, that's inside. Me and Sabrina just took it all apart, you know, on the inside, the bottom, on the side bit, all the controls, and the plastic, just went it back because there's the plastic there, cable, what we took apart, there's the transformer. There's some motor, went underneath up there. The light bulb, it's a bit of copper, what's this? What you get in them. And then fan. The aluminium HV capacitor. And then the cables for the controls and stuff. And then that bit there, then the magnets, all my magnets are there, and then what Pokemon's are there. Just telling Sabrina I have to take some of these apart. Some of these have been metal and that plastic, so all screws are going in there. You know, there's the controls, some metal bits, so any small bits going in there, like the bell. So there's the control bits, what Sabrina's just taking apart right now. So you can hear that off. So there's the up bits. And there. So
you're fucking fudging greasy.
Okay, so and there's a bit of, I don't know if they will come out, I don't know.
I'll get them out.
I just put the bit of plastic in there. So put all coffee to one side because technically coffee will weigh at some point a bit worse than money, like the wiring, there'll be coffee inside them, and then that bit out in there. Like this cable's going to wear, that's why this was going to go scrap, but I thought to keep it.
We can take it out somehow. You know what I mean? I'm just dying.
Let's see if that'll come out.
Yeah, it is.
Take time to.
Boom.
Go it somewhere like there.
No, I just got to try and wiggle it out.
Just see if you get underneath and use it like a crowbar. Yeah, I'll just show something else to do this, is that I'll just get pliers, like I did before. These will pop out, and then it'll come off, this bit will come off, and then I can get pliers cut in the middle.
Well, you know, you've got to do that.
Yeah,
not that matter.
They'll come off, then I'll just get pliers, like the cutters, cut the seal off, and then take the copper wire out of there.
That's copper wire there, isn't it?
So, yeah, and hi guys, might see a bit of rubbish in there. Yeah, me Sabrina took all the parts of the microwave, like the liquid motor, so you didn't get a bit of that, but all the rubbish is took apart. Yeah, every single bit is took apart. The magnets like that, the alley's been cut. Yeah, there's the parts in it. Microwave is just outside, is there.
I done that.
The transformer is there. And project bell, what makes a ding. That motor there. There's the aluminium. And there's some parts.
Can I not take this bit off?
Off the microwave. So that's technically everything. And then all the cable is actually there. What's out on it. So all that is just mainly scrap. There might be a little bit of plastic waste. But yeah. So that's the microwave done. Thanks guys. Bye for now.